right, guys, today we're here with
Ollie.
And he is going to, well, really, he's been skateboarding for how long?
5 years.
And how old are you?
I'm 27.
Okay, so 27 years old, been skateboarding for 5 years, and I want to see all his basic tricks, and what we want to work on today is getting more consistent at the tricks he can do.
Yep.
So we start always with, well, really we would start with just pushing around, blah, 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 but we'll skip that.
We could.
We'll go straight to Ollies.
All right, Ollie. All right, Ollie.
So show me some Ollies.
Did I go right here?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, we're gonna go this way.
Nice little fresh Ollie here.
Yeah, fresh Ollie. Good, first try.
Oh, it's all right.
I should do them with you.
That's all right.
Okay, Ollie. Okay,
Ooh,
now.
So clean.
Frontside 180.
Frontside 180, all right.
Good.
Still
Now on
counting?
this one, so we're gonna turn the upper body more. And then the secret with this one is always land on your front leg.
Okay.
Because that's your pivot foot.
All right.
Because then if you don't get the full rotation, you can rotate anyways.
So I'm just turning my shoulders a lot.
Yeah, try it with landing on your front leg.
On my front leg.
Yeah. Let's do it again. Yeah.
Brother.
You got it. Keep the back foot on.
All right.
Yeah. Good. Land a clean one, then we move on.
Okay.
Yeah. Good. Backside 180.
Backsides.
You got this one?
I think so.
Per survey, I did a survey of beginning skateboarders, and backside 180 was the #1 trick they couldn't do.
We'll see about that.
Yeah, we'll see about that. You're not a beginner though.
Yeah, I'm not.
You're intermediate. First try, let's go. Okay, that was good.
Oh, gosh. Not as clean as Aaron Cairo, but hey, you know, gotta keep trying.
Yeah.
Woo. It was like
Good.
a Manny.
That was good. We go to Pier 7, get your manis on. Next trick, pop shove it. Wow, first try with the steez. Okay, next trick, I just happen to know this is his favorite trick.
Front shove.
Front shove.
Ooh, this is my trick, fellas.
Whoa, what? First try? He didn't need to make me look so bad like that, but he did that. Okay, good, next trick, I'm not gonna try it because I can't do it. Heel flip.
Heel flip?
Yeah.
Next trick, heel flip. Oh, okay.
See that look on his face? Heel flip. Yeah.
Ooh, that was not it.
This trick is my arch nemesis. The worst thing in skateboarding, heel flips.
It's a hard one.
But he's got it, he's got it.
It's weird because you're not flicking with your heel, you're flicking with your pinky toe.
Yeah. Oh, that's what we should do. You should teach me how to heel flip.
Yeah. You flick with your pinky toe.
Yeah.
Not your heel.
After this video, we're gonna do that video. Wow. He's got the flick, he's got the steez. That's why he's got the grip tape. Keenan forever. Shout out Keenan.
So I guess that's my barrier is like heel flip and kick flip. And once I get past those, I think
Yeah.
it'll be like more fluent, hopefully.
Yes. And that, my friends, is why pebbles suck. That was the most perfect rock hit. You know, this area is so clean of rocks, it's very, very rare. He just found the one rock in the entire city of San Francisco, and he stopped on it.
How does that even happen?
I don't know.
One tiny pebble. Oh no, it's right there. Aaron, you got heel flip.
Yeah.
We'll see you try
If I land this first try,
First try?
then Shay needs to buy me pizza.
Or
Get it.
he lands it like kind of primo.
Yeah! Yeah!
It was there. Tail drag.
That was good. You landed it.
Landed.
Now, do you want to do it again? It's totally up to you. I'm ready to move to kickflip.
I'll try one more heel flip. If I don't, then we can just
Okay, good.
move on to kickflip. Last heel flip, folks. No, it's so
Okay,
clean.
that's it. Land a good one. You got it. That was too good. We can't let you end on that. Woo! Is it easier for you rolling?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, okay.
I mean, I could try stationary, but I feel like I've already done stationary so much.
Go ahead, go ahead.
All right.
It's so interesting because when I do my heel flips, I have to sort of like put my back foot here.
Yeah. Where am I putting mine?
I don't even want to change anything with you because you're doing it good.
Yeah.
Like your flick is good, but you're putting it like right in the center.
All right, I need to switch it a little bit.
But normally if it's like that, then the front rail comes up a bit and it helps to get that flick. But his flick is better than mine, so you know what I mean? He's doing it. If you land it right here, it's first try. First try!
So touched. All right, we'll count that.
Violation! Okay, kickflip. Your kickflip is better than your heel flip. He said he's got heel flips better.
No, maybe it's just one of those days, you know?
One of those kickflip days.
Also, I need to change my shoes.
Yeah, we need to change your shoes.
I know.
Time for a new pair. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Similar to the heel flip though, you landed on the tail.
I know.
Okay, 3 tries, kickflip. You got it, you got it.
Hey, if you're not following skating, then you're not doing it right.
Oh boy!
It's right there.
Lean forward, bend those knees.
Lean forward.
100.
Keeping it 100 with Aaron.
Keeping it 100.
All right, here we go, folks. This should just be the warm-up, you know?
Yeah.
It's turning into primo.
So now what we were working on is actually getting consistent here. So he did it, he popped it, he flicked it, he landed it. So here's what I do with myself to get consistent. I tell myself, and this is a challenge to land 5 in a row.
Play a game of skate 5 in a row.
You want to play a game of skate?
Nah.
But we'll do that after this.
After.
But five kickflips in a row.
Okay.
Should I see if I can even land 5 kickflips in a row?
That's a good challenge.
Okay, okay. We actually, you know what we should probably start with is 3.
Yeah.
Okay, he's like, we're gonna start with 3. And it doesn't matter in this how toes off, toe drag, heel drag, tail scrape, nothing matters. Just land it.
Just land it.
Yeah, because we're working on your confidence and your muscle memory, right?
Yeah, and consistency, yeah. Brother.
It's like,
No angels.
5-second rule. Okay, so all skateboarding is muscle memory. He popped it, he flicked it, he caught it, boom, he's got it. Now it's how many times in a row can he do that same motion of muscle memory. The same way you're gonna learn a trick is the way you're gonna get confident and get like consistent at it. So 3 in a row is a good little game you can play. You guys should try it too.
Where do you usually put your back foot for kick flips?
Let's see.
Pretty much middle, huh?
Yeah, right in the middle. There's no like real like change for popping the rail up. Holy crap! That was perfect. Okay, so that's 1. Now you need to do 2 more in a row.
2 more? Oh, brother. So then
How badly do I want to just make that count? It was this close. But what's interesting is to watch him go through this and see if he actually, within the confines of this video, gets more consistent. And you guys can apply this too and get more consistent in your own skating. Just tell yourself, play a game. 3 in a row, let's see if we can do it. Where it gets the most difficult and it gets in mental is when you land 2 and then you have 1 left. That's the hardest one because you're telling yourself, well, if I land it here, I win, right? So, interesting. Your timing was off.
Yeah.
So you're popping and flicking too close together. You need to extend that wait longer on the flick.
Pop, wait for the flick.
You can do this standing still if that's easier. It might not be.
It's not, because when I do it standing still, it messes up me rolling.
Okay.
So like I won't get my foot on when I'm standing still.
Okay.
It stops the rolling. I don't know how to explain it.
Good, I believe you.
I'll try 1 stationary and then I'll switch it to rolling.
Okay.
Hold on.
Yeah. Okay, that was 1. We're counting that.
Should I just do stationary?
Well, it's up to you.
I'll do stationary. We got 2.
2. One more. That's the last one.
3. Oh my God.
What did I tell you? I told you the hardest one is that third one. So you land 2, you have to get the third one. It can be rough. Okay, back to the top. Top of the innings.
Top.
3 in a row.
3 in a row. Oh, straight back to it. Okay, 3 in a row. I want to balance more on my board, but I feel like it's kind of hard.
Yeah, good. 1. That was 1. 2. We're counting that. We're counting that.
All right.
I mean, you were on there. I would count it. Okay, 1 more. I told you. What did I tell you? The third one.
Oh my gosh, start
Because
over.
it gets in your head.
Yeah.
Here, go right here. He's like, dang it. I don't like this game anymore.
High key, dude.
But here's the question, though. Are you getting more consistent?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's just one of those, it's muscle memory, right? So you're like, force yourself through it. We don't have to land 3 in a row. We don't have to do this until you land 3 in a row. I'm like that skate coach, the like angry skate coach. You're gonna do it or you're gonna do 20 push-ups. Okay, you got it.
Coach Frank out here.
Coach Frank, yeah. Nobody saw that. That didn't even happen. 1. Not only was it 1, it was so good. 2.
2.
Okay, last one. Okay, breathe. Give yourself a minute. Just 1 more, that's it. Okay, same exact thing, same exact muscle memory, change nothing. Holy
3.
crap, that was good.
Okay.
First try. Okay, so this is a good video to illustrate the point. Like all skateboarding, all it is muscle memory. Popping here, flicking there, you feel the motion, and you get it. So you got it, now you're more consistent.
Let's go.
I'm pretty sure I just turned you into a kick flipper instead of a heel flipper.
Probably, yeah.
Okay, well.
Definitely.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Should they follow you?
Yeah, go for it.
Where can they follow you?
The guy Ori on Instagram.
You probably got to spell it out.
TheGuy Ori. ORREY.
O-R-R-E-Y. The guy Ori, O-R-R-E-Y. Give him a follow on Instagram. Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want me to teach you how to ride a skateboard, join the Braille Skateboarding Academy. Link in the description. We'll see you in there.